Welcome to BKSS Academy. I hope you are doing great, my dear students. Now we will discuss about different kinds of topology in computer networking, which will be very much helpful for your different kinds of examinations as well as enhancing your computer-based knowledge. Topology of a computer network is the geometric representation of the relationship of all links and linking devices to one another. These are four basic There are four basic topologies, that is mesh, star, boss and ring. So suppose some principles is needed to connect these four nodes. Those principles are called as topologies. Mesh topology: every device has a dedicated point to point link to every other device which is present in a network. If there are n devices, n nodes, so every node must be connected to n minus 1 nodes. So we need n into n minus 1 physical links. This is the diagram for the mesh topology. So there is 5 stations, suppose 5 nodes. So every node has 4 connections. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4 for this station 2. So duplex link will be n into n minus 1 by 2. These are the maximum chances of connection is n into n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is the number of stations or number of nodes. Suppose 5 connections are there, 5 stations are there, so maximally 5 into 4 by 2 is equal to 10. 10 number of connections are there. Advantage of mesh topology: use of dedicated link, privacy and security, fault identification is easy. Disadvantage is more cables, more wiring, hardware requirement is expensive, difficult to add node. Example is connection of telephone, regional office. This is the example for the mesh topology. Similarly, star topology: each device has a dedicated P2P link only to a central control hub. The diagram is like this. Suppose there is a hub and all stations are connected to the hub and transfer the data to other station through this hub. If one link fails, no problem, less expensive. Advantage: if one link fails, no problem, less expense, less cabling, fault identification is easy. And disadvantage is dependency on hub. If hub fails, total network fails. Sharing only through hub and broadcast like this. This is example of LAN. Similarly, another concept is bus topology. A drop line is a connection running between the devices and the main cable. This is the drop line. A drop line is a connection running between the device and main cable. This is the main cable. The diagram is like this. This is the main cable and these are the drop lines for connecting different stations. And a tap is there. This is the tap. This is the tap. A tap is a connector into the main cable by puncturing the sheathing of a cable to contact the metallic core. This tap will be helpful for connecting the main cable to the station through the drop line. Its advantages of bus topology is use less cable, a system fails, no problem to network, easy to add or remove. Disadvantages include difficult reconnection due to tap, signal degraded, cable fails, signal fails. And its example is Ethernet LAN. Similarly, another concept, ring topology. Each device has a dedicated point-to-point connection with only two devices, either from each side. Signal move in one direction along the ring. Each device incorporates like repeater. So this is the diagram. Every device or every station is connected to the adjacent station on the both sides. So it will, each station is like the repeater when the signal is passed to the other system. If any kind of data loses at the particular location, that station will try to regenerate it. Advantage is easy to install. Disadvantage is it is unidirectional. Broadcast difficult to add. One fails, system fails. It is the another biggest disadvantage. If a system fails, the total network will be failed. Similarly, hybrid, it is the combination of different topology. It is the combination of different topology. This is the boss topology. This is the ring topology. This is the star topology. It is the combination of different topologies. And tree topology, it is the also another one. All nodes are connected like branches of a tree. So this is the hub, this is the hub, this is the hub. So one star topology is there. Its two branches are another two star topologies. Thank you. Welcome to BKSS Academy. I hope you are doing great, my dear students. Now we will discuss about Ethernet of computer networking, which will be very much helpful for you for your different kinds of examinations, and also it will be help for you for enhancing your computer knowledge. LAN uses several technologies. One is Ethernet, second one is token ring, third one is ATM LAN. Ethernet is the mostly widely used local area network. Evolution of Ethernet, that is first it is evolved standard Ethernet, which capacity is 10 Mbps, fast Ethernet 100 Mbps, gigabit Ethernet 1 Gbps, and 10 gigabit Ethernet it will be 10 Gbps. Standard Ethernet, it is of four kinds, that is 10 base 5, 10 base 2, 10 base T, and 10 base F. 10 base 5 means thick coaxial bus. 10 base 2 means thin coaxial. 10 base T, that is UTP or star. 10 base F, that is fiber optic cable. Bridge Ethernet, raising bandwidth and separating collision. Its main job is to bridge Ethernet. Bridge Ethernet has the main principle, that is raising bandwidth and separating collision in between the communication, where the possibility of collision of data that will be avoided by the bridge Ethernet. Similarly, switched Ethernet, bandwidth share between station and switch collision, that domain divided. The switched Ethernet, bandwidth shared between station and switch collision, that will be divided. Next one is full duplex Ethernet, two links, one to transmit data and one to receive data, that is full duplex Ethernet. As we know, duplex mode is that at the same time sending and receiving can be possible. By this full duplex Ethernet, one link will be helpful for transmit the data, one link will be for receiving the data. Similarly, fast Ethernet, point to point and star. These are 10 100 base TX, 100 base FX, 100 base T4. 100 base TX means it is UTP wires, two UTP wires. FX means two fiber cables. T4 means four UTP cables. And its topology is point to point and point to point concept and switch, that is star. star concept is followed. Similarly, gigabit Ethernet, its topology is fast and star as well as 2 star also, and hierarchical, that is switch is there, 2 star topology is there, that is hierarchical star. Thank you.